Is it time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on the 28th of October, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of October, 2024, our system has identified Microsoft as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.14. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 0.44%. This equates to an average return of 0.15% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a modest upward trend in the short term, indicating the possibility of further increases. Analyzing the 3-month trend, there is an anticipated change of 3% over the upcoming 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 1.71% to 7.24%. Looking at the 12-month trend, we expect a change of 14.74% over the next year, with possible returns between 7.58% and 31.16%. This suggests a price range between $458.94 to $559.51 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Microsoft features the headline, Microsoft stock upgraded from hold accumulate to buy candidate after Monday trading session. On the last trading day, which was Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, the Microsoft stock price experienced a decline of 0.364%, dropping from $428.15 to $426.59. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.31%, reaching a low of $426.34 and a high of $431.94. Over the past 10 days, the price has risen in 6 instances and has increased by 1.78% over the past 2 weeks. Interestingly, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which is typically a positive indicator, as volume should align with stock movement. Specifically, the trading volume dropped by 3 million shares, with a total of 14 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $5.97 billion. Looking back over the past 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $468.35 and its lowest price of $331.84. Currently, the price stands 8.92% or $41.76 below the 52-week high of $468.35, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. Microsoft is set to report its fiscal first quarter earnings this Wednesday, the 30th of October, 2024. Analysts anticipate revenues between $63.8 billion and $64.8 billion, with a consensus slightly above the midpoint at $64.3 billion. Despite a history of surprising results, this quarter's expectations reflect a modest growth trajectory with just 11% earnings per share growth projected for fiscal 2025, down from earlier expectations of 15%. In the current competitive landscape, Microsoft has publicly accused Google of conducting a shadow campaign aimed at influencing cloud regulation policies in Europe. This accusation highlights the escalating rivalry in the cloud market and could add pressure on Microsoft to enhance its competitive stance, especially with increasing scrutiny from regulators. Short-term market reactions may hinge on how investors interpret the impact of these allegations, potentially driving volatility in Microsoft stock. Moreover, Microsoft's Azure cloud services are expected to contribute positively to upcoming earnings, bolstered by rising demand for their artificial intelligence and Copilot offerings. The performance of Azure could be a crucial factor for long-term investor sentiment, as successful integration of AI solutions may provide a stronger revenue base. As part of the broader market, Microsoft is included in the Magnificent Seven, a group of tech giants pushing forward amid lagging overall corporate earnings. The outcomes of their earnings reports could influence market trends rapidly, potentially benefiting Microsoft if results exceed current cautious expectations. Investors should prepare for a market that remains sensitive to these developments as they look for insights into Microsoft's resilience and growth potential in both the short and long term. Analyst Ratings. On Thursday, the 24th of October, 2024, it was reported that Cowen & Company assigned Microsoft a buy grade along with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 23rd of October, 2024, it was reported that Citigroup also granted Microsoft a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets gave Microsoft a buy grade in conjunction with a hold action. On the same day, Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, Evercore ISI assigned Microsoft an outperform grade accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 18th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned Microsoft an underperform grade while also recommending a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Microsoft stock. They have classified the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Microsoft. The Microsoft stock shows positive indications from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting an optimistic outlook for the stock. Additionally, a general buy signal is present, as the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average. Should there be downward corrections, support can be found at $424.07 and $423.83. A drop below either of these levels would trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, the 7th of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has increased by 4.16%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Moreover, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also emerged, which could influence short-term developments. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which helps lower the overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal, observed 16 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, noted 28 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal, detected 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, recognized 6 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal, identified 2 days ago. When examining the 12-month chart, we can observe short moving average, buy signal, registered 6 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, reported 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages revealed a buy signal, noted 57 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Microsoft. Microsoft finds support from accumulated volume at $418.35. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. Generally, the stock exhibits very controlled movements, and due to good liquidity, the risk is considered quite low for this stock. Over the last day, the stock experienced a movement of $5.60 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 1.31%. During the past week, the stock had a daily average volatility of 1.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's quickly review some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This PE ratio is relatively normal and is often observed in companies with long-standing performance records or stable revenue streams. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 30th of October, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $3.08. It's important to monitor these figures closely as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Microsoft. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft is at $427.51. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Microsoft faces its first support level at $418.35. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 16th of September, 2024, Numoto Takeshi executed an insider purchase of 8,511 shares of common stock. On the same day, young Christopher David made an insider purchase of 8,990 shares of common stock. Also on that day, Smith Bradford L. acquired 23,374 shares of common stock. Hood Amy also conducted an insider purchase of 23,374 shares of common stock on the 16th of September, 2024. Lastly, Hogan Kathleen T. bought 7,912 shares of common stock on the same day. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of 6.614. Overall, insiders purchased 543,109 shares and sold 488,476 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $404.48, reflecting a decrease of 5.18%. This stock exhibits very low daily movements, indicating a correspondingly low risk. Additionally, there is a buy signal generated from a pivot bottom identified 15 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Microsoft stock to perform well in the near future. We have revised our analysis from a hold or accumulate rating to a buy recommendation. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 29th of October, we anticipate Microsoft to open higher by $1.70, starting at a price of $428.29. It is important to remember that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. Therefore, it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you successful trading and a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.